Good day, sir. My report is all about neurological and evolutionary. The term neurological relates to the nervous system, which includes the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. Neurology is the branch of medicine and biology that deals with the anatomy, functions, and disorder to the nervous system. So, in criminology, neurological are important because they provide a deeper understanding of the biological and psychological factors that contribute to criminal behavior, which can inform prevention, intervention, and rehabilitation strategies. The importance of neurological in criminology is understanding behavior. Neurological research helps identify brain structures and functions associated with impulsivity, aggression, and decision making, which can lead into criminal behavior. Next is evolutionary. Evolutionary pertains to the process of evolution, which is the change in the heritable characteristics of the biological populations over successive generations. So, mo is ang mga na inherent nga characteristics sa una. The importance of evolutionary in criminology is behavioral insights. Evolutionary theories provide context for understanding why certain behaviors, such as aggression or competition, may have developed as adaptive strategies, helping to explain the motivation behind criminal acts. In summary, both neurological and evolutionary studies are vital for advancing our knowledge of the human condition, improving health outcomes, and understanding the intricate web of life on Earth. Their importance extends beyond academia, influencing medicine, psychology, conversation, and many other fields. And that's all in my report. Thank you.